Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey with a pig wearing glasses. Can you imagine a pig with round, shiny glasses on its nose? Do you think it looks funny, clever, or maybe even magical? What do you think, friends? One sunny morning, Bluey and Bingo were playing in the park when they heard a friendly oink, oink. They turned their heads and saw a little pink pig trotting toward them. The funniest part was that the pig wore big round glasses that sparkled in the sunlight.
Wow.
Bingo giggled. That pig has glasses just like Dad. Bluey tilted her head. I wonder if the pig can read books. Children, point to your eyes as if you're wearing glasses too. The pig introduced himself politely. Hello, I'm Pongo the pig. These glasses help me see all the wonderful details in the world. His voice was cheerful and his smile warm. Bluey clapped her paws. That's amazing. Do you want to play with us, Pongo? Of course. Pongo oinked happily. He adjusted his glasses and looked around. I see a big shiny ball near the tree. Let's play catch. Kids, pretend you're throwing a ball gently to your friend. Bluey tossed the ball, Bingo caught it, and Pongo jumped to grab it with his little hooves. Got it, he cheered. The three of them laughed and ran across the grass. Children, run in place for a moment just like Bluey, Bingo, and Pongo chasing the ball. After a while, Pongo stopped and pointed with his hoof. Look, I see tiny ants carrying crumbs. Bluey squinted, but she couldn't see them clearly. Your glasses really help. Bingo nodded. You're like a detective, Pongo. Kids, hold your hand above your eyes like you're looking closely, just like a detective. Like this video and subscribe my channel. The friends decided to explore more. They found butterflies dancing, flowers blooming, and even a rainbow shining faintly in the distance. Pongo explained what he saw in detail, and Bluey and Bingo listened with wide eyes. Suddenly, a breeze blew, and Pongo's glasses slipped off his nose. Oh no, he squealed. The glasses rolled across the grass. Bluey dashed after them, her paws quick. Bingo ran too, shouting, Don't worry, we'll get them. Children, stretch your hands forward like you're reaching to catch rolling glasses. Bluey grabbed them just before they fell into a puddle. She lifted them high and laughed. Got them. Pongo sighed with relief. Thank you, friends. Without my glasses, I can't see clearly. Bingo gently placed them back on his nose. There, all better. Pongo blinked, then smiled. Now I can see your smiles again. You two are the best friends ever. Bluey wagged her tail. And you're the best pig detective we know. The sun began to set, painting the sky orange and pink. Together, they sat under a tree, watching the colors change. Pongo said softly, Sometimes glasses don't just help us see the world. They help us notice the little things that make life special. Bluey leaned on Bingo's shoulder, smiling. And today you helped us see too. Children, hug yourself gently, imagining the warm friendship between Bluey, Bingo, and Pongo. The pig adjusted his glasses once more, and with a cheerful oink, they all waved at the glowing sunset. Now, friends, close your eyes and imagine a kind pig with shiny glasses, smiling beside Bluey and Bingo. Safe, happy, and full of friendship.